Hello everyone, how are you all? This video is regarding a skincare brand named Kazima. Today they have sent me two products to share with you guys. The one is this aloe vera gel. The one product which they have sent me is aloe vera gel, and the other one which they have sent is Haldi Chandan massage cream. So in this video I will be using these products and telling the benefits of the products and the ingredients they have used and how you guys can use it. So I'll be telling each and everything side by side. Before using any skincare thing or whatever you are doing DIYs or you're using any facial packs, always clean your face. I'm just cleaning my face softly, gently, under the eyes, above the eyes, everywhere. I'm cleaning it, and I never forget to clean my neck area as well. I have cleaned my face, tied my hair, applied the band because it's a massage cream, so it will definitely will little bit spoil my hair. So to avoid that, I have I've used this band to cover everything. It's a Haldi Chandan massage cream, the best for brides to be, because generally we take pre-bridal packages from different salons, but at home when you're not taking your sessions, you can always use such massage creams. Definitely everyone knows the benefit of haldi. It is antibacterial, and it, if you have acne scars, if you have acne, it has so many benefits on your type of a skin, and this cream can be used by all skin types. So I'm taking this cream, I'm taking this cream, I'm not using my fingers, I'm using this spoon, because it is always a good idea if you want to keep your products in a hygiene manner. So all, never dip your hands inside your facial packs, creams and anything else. If you're using, always take it on the spoon, and this much cream I have taken. So I'm first applying this all over my face. I have applied the cream all over my face, and I will massage in the circular motion very gently. Don't use your hands harshly on your face. Just massage it. You can massage your face from 5 to 10 minutes. It's more than sufficient. If you want to get relaxed, you can take help of your mother, sister, anyone else. They can give you massage. The more you get relaxed, the more your skin glows. It's a mantra of any skin care brand or skincare products you're using. So relaxing yourself is very I massaged my face for approximately 7 minutes. Now I have washed my face. You guys can use wet cotton to remove your cream, but I always like washing my face with water. Gives me satisfaction of the skin has cleaned. The next product they have sent me is the aloe vera gel. It's a clear transparent gel with no paraben, no sulfate, no color and no fragrance. It's very much natural. So I will show you how it looks. You can see it's a transparent gel. It's very convenient to use. You can use it as your facial pack. Just take out and apply on your skin, or you can use aloe vera in the DIY facial packs which we make. You can use aloe vera in any of the packs you made by your own. If you don't want to use it only aloe vera, you can mix it, and not only on the face, it's amazing for hair also. You can mix this aloe vera in your any of your hair oils, whatever you use on your hair, and you can use this because it has n number of benefits for our hair as well. All skin types can use this pack, and it is amazing for acne prone skin, because if you have active acne, then also it is beneficial. If you have acne scars or open pores, slowly you will notice that the scars are fading away. Same way, I will not dip my hands in the jar because it's a 500 grams jar, and I really don't want to spoil the hygiene of the jar. So I'm taking in my fresh spoon, you can see, and will apply on my face directly. It's so soothing. It has, you know, that cooling effect. It calms the skin. And you know, I will apply this for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Will not forget the neck also. These products are made up by all natural things, so it has no side effects on our skin. I'll be tagging the page. You can, you know, just check out their page. You can check out the prices. They are very reasonable also. They are not at all expensive, so they are amazing for the skin. I really, you know, like these products, and I'm very much impressed by the, you know, outcome of using the, you know, you can just see my before and after of this video. So what are you waiting for? Just go and check out their page. Thank you. Bye bye.